Security versus success. Security and success both are opposite words to each other. If you are seeking for security and you have a security seeking mindset, that you are not ready to put yourself into the situation where you work beyond your limits, you will never going to get success. As to get as to be successful, you have to work beyond your limits and beyond your security thoughts. A successful person is a person who works out of his comfort zone. He works out of his comfort zone. He always challenges himself and his limits. He wants to achieve something which is never achieved by him or her. So, what are the so how do you figure out who is a security seeking person or who is a success seeking person? The security seeking person is a person who is a who never you have a security seeking person is a person who do not want to start new things. Like if they failed in something, they will never try it again. They have a answer, they have a negative answer for any new situation or any new opportunity. If you ask them that if you ask them that there is a new job, they will always reply you with a negative comment, or they will say that this job, I can't do this job because of this. This job doesn't seems to be my standard. I am not fit for that job. I don't want to go there, and it is too far from my home. It is too near from my home. So they have every time they have some kind of excuses for whatever they face in their life. They don't want to challenge their self. So this is the main problem with the security seeking problem. This is the main problem with the security seeking people. Now on the other hand, the people who are looking for success, they have a different type of mindset. They are always ready for the new ideas. They have an open mind. They are always looks for opportunities around themselves. They make home out if you throw a stone on them. These kind of people always get good opportunities. They will succeed in their life. They will get promoted in their life. They will go to new places. They will buy new things. They will have a very good reputation in their society. So success seeking and security seeking, these are two mindsets. And security seeking people can be the people who now these are the two mindsets. Both mindsets have their own these are two mindsets which we have discussed: security mindset and success seeking mindset. These are the two mindsets which we had discussed: security seeking mindset and the success seeking mindset. A security seeking mindset can be a success seeking person. What he have to do, we will discuss this in our next video with some do's and don'ts, with some new ideas. What a person what a security seeking person do if he want to shift from one side to another. That means he want to shift his mindset from security side, or we have discussed two type of mindsets today. One is security seeking and one is we have discussed two type we have discussed two type of mindsets today. One is security seeking and other one is success seeking. Security seeking person can be shifted and can shift we have discussed two type of mindsets today: security seeking mindset and success seeking mindset. A security seeking mindset person can be shifted or can be a success seeking mindset person. He have to do some changes in his lifestyle for his betterment. So we will discuss what are those ideas and what are those points which can change a security seeking mindset person into a success seeking mindset person in our next video. So keep watching our videos and keep liking them and keep subscribing, and so keep watching our videos, subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification so that keep watching the videos and click on like button, subscribe my channel, click on the subscribe button and bell notification also, so that you can get the notification of the videos which we have uploaded. Thank you for watching the video.